Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your broker to MetaTrader 5. So if you want to start trading Forex or CFDs, but your broker account isn't linked yet, just follow along step by step to get it connected. All right, let's dive in. First, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the application. Once the app opens, you'll usually be on the quotes screen. Now, tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. At the top, select Manage Accounts, then tap the plus icon to add a new account. You'll now see the Find Broker search bar. Tap on it and type the name of the broker you want to connect. When your broker appears in the list, tap on it. Next, you'll be asked to log in to your existing broker account. If you already have an account, enter your login ID and password. If you don't have one yet, you can tap Open Account and follow the steps to create a new account. After entering your login details, tap the Server drop-down and choose the correct server provided by your broker. If you want the app to remember your password, you can check Save Password option. And if you forgot your password, simply tap Forgot Password to reset it. Once everything is filled in, tap Login, and within a few seconds, your broker account will be successfully connected to MetaTrader 5. And that's it. That's how you connect your broker to MetaTrader 5 and get ready to start trading.